Right behind the house, hidden among the sunlight and shadows, a small creature appears, salamander emoji. This is a mountain skink, fast and shiny, always ready to escape danger. Its scales are not just for beauty, but armor against predators that lurk nearby. More than that, it plays a vital role in nature's balance, hunting tiny insects to keep the ecosystem in check. A simple backyard skink, yet a silent guardian of life's chain. Right pointing finger emoji. Have you ever spotted one in your own backyard? Hit like and subscribe to discover more hidden wildlife stories around us.